Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize configuring SSH hardening with Fail2ban step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your server via SSH. Use your terminal or SSH client for this purpose. Log in as a user with sudo privileges. Once logged in, update your package list. Run the command sudo apt-get update. Next, install Fail2ban if it is not already installed. Use the command sudo apt-get install Fail2ban. After the installation, navigate to the Fail2ban configuration directory. Type cd/etc/fail2ban. Make a copy of the default configuration file. Run the command sudo cpjail.confjail.local. Open the local configuration file for editing. Use your preferred text editor, such as Nano or Vim. Type sudo nanojail.local. Scroll down to find the section labeled SSHD. Uncomment the lines to enable the SSH jail by removing the You can also set the enabled property to true. Modify the max retry value to customize the allowed failed attempts. Set it to a lower number to increase security. Adjust the ban time to determine how long an IP should be banned after exceeding failed attempts. Consider setting it to at least 1 hour. Save the changes and exit the text editor. To ensure the changes take effect, restart the Fail2ban service. Run the command sudo systemcll restart Fail2ban. Check the status of the Fail2ban service to ensure it is running smoothly. Type sudo systemcll status Fail2ban. Look for an active status in the output. For added security, configure your SSH settings. Open the SSH configuration file by typing sudo nano/etc/ssh/sshd_config. Consider changing the default SSH port from 22 to a different number. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.